Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at Arpa chain or the Arpa token itself. It's up like 14%, and this token is one of those tokens that came out way early before 2021 bull, as you can see here. And in 2021 it actually ended up making a big move, as you can see here. At some point the price was above 21 cent. That means it had the market cap of over $200 million, which is a lot. As you can see, this one is a bit, I would say, different from what the coin market cap shows because of the difference in circulating supply. Because if you look here, the circulating supply on the coin market cap is around 1.5 billion, whereas on CoinGecko it shows around near 1 billion, as you can see here. So again, most of the tokens are unlocked. There won't be intense sell pressure, at least from the investors, at least from what it looks like, as you can see here, as most of them have been already vested. So that's, I would say, pretty good for the token. Now, why the coin is up, it is unclear why, because they only had this announcement where they basically partnered with Gab AI, as you can see here, for their NFT drop. So that was the only partnership that I could actually think of. But again, it is unclear why the token is up. We'll talk about the price and why it could also be up from the price action. Anyways, now if you don't know what Arpa is, it is basically a BLS threshold signature scheme. A network is a cutting-edge and decentralized cryptographic system designed to perform BLS threshold signature tasks. Their first product is called Rencast, as you can see, which basically leverages Arpa network. It provides secure and reliable random number generation on the multiple prevailing blockchains. So that they are going with. So it has a different utilities, and again, they have been around since 2019, and they only have a single product. That is a bit, I would say, red flag. That means the development has not been that fast. As of now, the utilities for the Rencast is for the NFT allocations, game attribute generations, and combat outcomes in the games. So basically, the total demand for the Arpa, or if the token, if ever wants to run like it did back in 2021, we need metaverse and gaming coins to run. And if you know, the biggest pump for the gaming tokens and the metaverse token happened back in November or October of 2021, and that is exactly when the Arpa coin peaked, as you can see here. As of now, it has been still pretty doing good. Even back in 2024 April, it actually ended up hitting nearly 10 cent, which is a massive move. So that means from looking at its history, it has a potential to at least hit as high as 8 cent or even 6 cent in the future, because it has been around since 2019 and it has performed whenever the market has performed. So that is, I would say, a pretty good thing for the coin. That means this altcoin has actually proven to perform whenever the market does go up. So that's, I would say, pretty good. Now looking at here, the token did have a pretty good support of around 1.3 cent, as you can see here, and it actually went up from 1.6. so that, I would say, pretty good. Now as of now, the utility of the token is to be staked, from what I understand, as you can see here, and developers can also do a lot of things here as well. Now the token itself is available on Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, and I think if they somehow announce it on Base, it should actually it should have more volume than this, and it should have more demand than this, because Base does have a lot of volume. Now let's talk about the price of the coin itself and what is happening here. So if you look here, what I think the token saw a pretty big pump is most likely because of this downtrend. So the token was in downtrend. You can say it has been in the downtrend ever since here from December 2024 of 2024, as you can see. And now if we just try to check how if we just try to check the breakout, it basically tried to break out from this trend. And if we look at the 4-hour chart, there was 200 EMA breakout, as you can see here. And after a breakout, it saw a massive surge in price. It actually went from like 1.7 cent to as high as 2.5 cent, which was a massive breakout. And again, it actually went down because I think most of the sellers or most of the buyers who bought it coin like around this level most likely sold it at the profit. And again, I think there's a high chance that it will most likely retest around 200 EMA, and it can actually go up from here like 2 cents, somewhere around here. It can retest there and go up. But if you look here, we have had exact same pumps in the past as well, like here and even here. The coin did actually pump, the coin did actually go up, but the price did not hold. But as of now, I think there's a high chance that it is trying to make a bull flag as of now, and if it does breaks bull flag in the uptrend, there's a high chance that the coin will most likely surge again. Still, we'll have to wait and see. But if we try to use Fibonacci tool here, and if so let me just try to check Fib retracement levels or its retest levels where actually it can go. So as of now, it is actually trying to retest around 61%, as you can see here, which is a pretty good, I would say, entry point, and it is a bit riskier as market is overall not doing that good. And again, after that, another pretty good entry would be somewhere around 1.9 cent around here. And both of these points could be pretty interesting ones, because if it does touches this level and if it makes new high, that means the token is in the strong uptrend. But as of now, we do need to actually break out from this 2.5 cent if it wants to go higher. But again, this is, I would say, if you're planning to trade this coin, it is better to put order somewhere around 1.9 or even somewhere around 2 cent seems to be the pretty good one. Again, if it does breaks this high around 2.5, it will most likely go higher than this. And if it does continues to go higher, we do have a pretty good resistance around 2.7 or even 3 seems to be the pretty good resistance as well. So if it does go from here and it breaks this resistance, I think there's a high chance that the coin could actually go as high as 3.2. And if there are more traders trading it, it can go even more higher than this if you look at other tokens as of now. But again, it actually needs to break out on the daily time frame as well. As of now, the daily time frame resistance is somewhere around 300. If we look at the 200 EMA, it's around 3 cent. So it could actually go as high as 3 cent, and it will continue to go down. There's a high chance that it could happen, because if you look here, the coin did exactly that. It went from 3.8 to as high as 6.1. It actually just it did 2x in one day, and after that it went from that exact same level and went as low as 3 cents. So that was also a massive dump, and this could be the exact same. But I think this downtrend still, if it is able to hold this above, above this downtrend line, I think it could be actually doing a massive breakout from here as well. Anyways, we'll have to wait and see. I hope like the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.